As I write this letter to you, darling, I can't hold the teardrops from my eyes. For at sundown I will lay a-dying at the door of the fool's paradise. Rode into this cattle town this morning, left my herd to check the market price, and I walked into the nearest barroom. They call it the fool's paradise. There the crowd was gay and girls were dancing, and the men were playing cards and dice. So I stepped up to the bar to join them. What a grand place, this fool's paradise. It was then I showed to them your picture. I passed it around once or twice. Then a man insulted your sweet honor at the bar of the fool's paradise. So I slapped his face and I told him, I said, you eat them words, mister, or draw. That's my advice. And he said, well, somebody might get hurt inside, but I'll be glad to meet you at sundown. At sundown in front of the fool's paradise. So goodbye, my darling, may God bless you. I go to make the sacrifice. And if ever you visit old Dodge City, remember the fool's paradise.